Hi there, and thank you for stopping by 10hoursuccess.com. You're hired, no experience required. Today, I wanted to briefly talk to you about your possible position at 10 Hour Success. With the training, you will be able to introduce the site creation, and you'll be able to set up webinars and workshops and build your page. And then you'll be ready to launch. Afterwards, we'll talk about the introduction and how to go about it. The website design market, getting a domain name, setting up your web hosting, and also installing WordPress on your domain. In part 2, we'll remove plugins, change your settings up a little bit, and make sure that you have the latest version of WordPress installed. You'll also be able to change the theme and set up your page builder, which in this case, we'll talk about Elementor website builder. Afterwards, in part 3, there'll be education on importing a starter site, and then also customizing your headers and footers. Afterwards, you'll go into more detail about editing the site. After that, in part 4, you'll see how to edit a mobile version. That means making sure that your website is compatible with both phones and tablets. Editing the contact form is a way for your customers to get in touch with you, and logo creation is to brand your idea or your business. Then finally, we have website security. We'll add SSL to the website so that we'll make sure that customers know that your website is secure. After all that, you'll be ready to launch. Sign up today for a workshop to get hands-on training. And also, if you'd rather just sit back and let someone else do the website creation for you, we have a done-for-you option as well. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you on the inside.